This year I'll be taking part in the Vintage Computer Festival held at the Enter Museum in Derendingen, Switzerland on the 8th and 9th of November 2025. And I'll bring along a few systems ready for practical use during the event, not just for show. There will be a Windows NT 3.1 machine and my Texas Instruments TravelMate 5200 running Windows 95. And while I could serve files directly from the NT box, why not also use an old NAS? So I dusted off a Synology disk station DS209 and installed a single SATA drive, no RAID this time. Finding a suitable version of Disk Station Manager turned out to be trickier than expected. Most old DSM releases have vanished from Synology's site, but luckily archive.org came to the rescue with DSM 4.2. Next challenge, Synology Assistant. The old 32-bit version simply wouldn't run on modern macOS, but I managed to install an older Windows build inside Crossover, and that actually worked for setting up this old disk station from scratch. Now, getting the TravelMate 5200 to talk to it, that's another story. Windows 95 doesn't understand later versions of SMB, at least not until you install the Active Directory Services update. Once that's on, it connects to the disk station just fine. And I need that because I have something very specific in mind. Maybe you'll find out in my next VCFE companion video or live at the event. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in person at the Enter Museum for the Vintage Computer Festival November 8th and 9th 2025.